Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to La Sheni 21 Nails. Today's video is a collab with Guyleen from Guyleen325. We were lucky enough to win an Instagram giveaway from Bliss Kiss. So we're going to be sharing our prize and how we get our nails ready for the winter. So my package finally arrived. So let's open it together and see what I got. How exciting! I got the mini hydration treatment and it comes with instructions on how to use them. Oh my goodness, these are the pink gloves. They're so cute. I got a lotion stick. Oh wow, that feels really nice. Doesn't really smell like anything. And I got the hydrating oil, Simply Pure, and this one is fragrance free. You can find a video tutorial on myblisskiss.com/ht. The first product that I had from Bliss Kiss was my Simply Neat Miracle Mat. I was so excited. I still am. I use it all the time and it's been a lifesaver. Wow, these are so pretty. Let's see if they fit me. Nice. We're gonna try these out and we'll be sharing our results with you guys. I haven't applied any oil today, can you tell? Let's put a little bit of this. Wow, this feels really, really good. The only product that I had previously tried was this one, but this one is really, really nice. I'm so glad I got the chance to try it. So thank you so much, Bliss Kiss, for this beautiful prize. So the plan is to share with you guys how we get our nails ready for winter. Since I'm in Florida, it's not as bad as where Guyleen is because it's never going to be as cold as it is over there. It doesn't snow or anything here and there's always more humidity, so it keeps my nails not as dry. But you can see even here, I already applied a little bit of this lotion stick on there, but this area is always giving me problems. So if I just stop putting oil for a while, or if I don't continue to take care of my nails, my cuticles do get really dried up. So it's something I still have to do no matter where I am, even if I'm in Florida. So let's get excited about testing these products and seeing how well they work on my hands. Before I get started with my hydration treatment, I'm going to go ahead and remove my nail polish. For that, I'm going to use one piece of cotton ball and my acetone that I use always, which is my Onyx brand pure 100% acetone. I unroll a piece of cotton and I cut it into 10 little pieces, one for each nail. Now that I have my 10 little pieces, I'm going to take my nail clips and my acetone dispenser. Now I'm going to put the acetone on the cotton piece. Make sure it's well saturated, especially for the nails that have a lot of nail art. I'm going to start with this one. Carefully place it on the nail and then I use the nail clip to cover it. And I'm going to go ahead and do all 10 nails. I try to leave my index finger and my thumb for last. Usually by the time I'm done applying the acetone on the last nail, I'm ready to start removing the next. But I'm just going to wait for 1 minute to make sure that the stamping on these nails comes off really easily in one whole piece. We can take this off already. It's only been a minute. But this hand didn't have any stamping, so it should come off a lot easier. One thing I forgot to mention is that usually I apply cuticle oil before applying the cotton pads full of acetone because then my skin won't get as dry. You see how dry this looks right here? But because I'm going to do the intense hydration treatment now, I didn't worry about that too much. Okay, and then I take one last clean piece. I put a little bit of acetone on it and I remove any leftover polish. Now I'm ready to wash my hands. So after washing my hands and drying them, you can really see just how bad my nails are. My left hand is the one that I use mainly for swatching, and that's why the nails on this hand are more yellow than the ones on my right hand, because I don't usually polish my right hand as much as my left. There's a lot of peeling. Here you can see where there's pieces of the nail that are missing, and you can see how dry my nail actually looks right now after applying the acetone and washing the oils and everything off my nails. Let's get these nails hydrated as soon as possible. I'm going to open both products so that I don't have a problem opening them once my hands are full of oil. And this is what the brush looks like. It's really soft. And we're gonna click it until we see the oil coming up. Okay, so you can see the oil coming up already. So I'm gonna apply it. It says to apply it liberally to both sides of the nails and the surrounding skin. And this is usually what I do anyway with my cuticle oil. All around the nail and under the nail. Okay, and we're gonna do the other hand. All right, let's get under. That looks really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the lotion stick, and it says to apply lotion stick to hands like traditional lotion. I want it to be an abundant amount. Now I'm gonna rub my hands together. Oh, that feels so nice. So this is what my hands look like right now. So hydrated. Let's put these gloves on. They look so pretty. Okay, let's get the other one. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. Now we wait. I'll be back with an update once I take these off. And the best thing is that I can continue using my phone because the gloves work even on the phone, so that's really awesome. So it's been a couple of hours, and let's check what the results are of my intense hydration. My hands do feel a little bit sweaty, but I'm glad that I was able to do everything I needed to do wearing my gloves. Oh wow. My hands feel really good. I do still feel the moisture of it. They feel really moisturized. It feels really nice. Wow, especially this nail. Look at how clear it is. That means my nail soaked up the oil really good. So that's day 1 of my hydration treatment. I just woke up and this is the way my nails look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. This is what I normally do during the day. And I love to massage it in gently. Now I'm ready to start the day. Every time I wash my hands and I feel that I don't have enough oil left on my nails, then I apply a little bit more. And I do that during the day, throughout the day. And of course, every time I do the dishes, I wear my gloves. And when I'm at my desk, sometimes I like to apply it also if I feel my nails are dried up. So I do it throughout the day several times. So that's why it's convenient to have this, because you could just take it wherever you go. Since it absorbs so quickly into my nails, I can immediately start working on my keyboard and it won't get all greasy. During the time I was doing this hydration treatment, it was my birthday, so I did a beautiful birthday manicure on both hands. And I already took it off from this hand because I wanted to do a challenge for the Facebook group that I belong to, which is called Nail Stamping Sisterhood. And that never stopped me from applying cuticle oil. The good thing is you can always put it under your nails and around the cuticles, and it won't be the same. Like, I won't be able to see the hydration of the nail, how it gets, but at least I know that my cuticles are hydrated, and that is the most important thing for me. So I continue to apply it even though I have nail polish on. And that's just the way that I always do it. And you guys see how I take my time and I really go, and I go under the nail and I go around the cuticle. But Anna from Bliss Kiss says she just goes like that quickly if she's in a hurry. The important thing is to get the oil on there, and then she just massages quickly, and you don't really have to massage for a long period of time. So it's just getting that hydration that you need around your cuticles and under your nails. So she says she even does it at a stoplight when she's in her car. So you can always do it wherever you go. And that's the convenience of having one of these pens, because you could just put it in your purse or even in your pocket. I've carried it in my pocket. I've probably already mentioned this before, but if you guys want information about nail care, like good quality information, I highly recommend Anna's website, nailcarehq.com, because she provides good information, and like you can really easily understand why things work and why things that you do may not be working for you. She has so much, and she's always available. Like, she does Facebook Lives and Insta stories where you can ask her questions if you have any concerns about your nails, and she's really good about responding. So I always recommend checking her website out and her store too, because she's the one that makes Bliss Kiss products like this Simply Pure Hydrating Oil. So I continue to do it throughout the day, as I showed you before, and that's pretty much it for my hydration. So if you don't have a lot of time during the day to be applying the cuticle oil, you should definitely try to do it at night and after you expose your hands to water. That's like the most important time for me. But I usually try to apply the cuticle oil throughout the day as much as possible. If you don't have time, then the intense hydration treatment using the gloves to do it like for an hour, at least an hour, while you're watching a movie or something like that is something I highly recommend, because as you can see from the video, you can see really how my nails got clear from sucking in all that oil and getting really intense moisture in there, which is what you want. So this is something that I would do maybe once a week if I see like, or preparing my nails for the winter when it's gonna be too cold and dry. Even though, like I said before, here in Florida it's never that bad, but it's definitely something good to have. So that's it for today's update. Today I'm getting ready to do another intense hydration treatment, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove my nail polish, wash my hands, and then apply these products and put on the gloves. And this will be the last treatment that I do to complete this collab with Guyleen. After washing my hands, this is what my nails look like. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lotion and the cuticle oil. Now I'm going to work on my computer and do a couple of things while I wait for the hydration treatment to work. So it's been about an hour and it's time for lunch, so I'm not going to be able to keep them on longer than that. And I'm going to go ahead and take them off now and see the results. I love the way my hands feel after removing the gloves. They feel really moisturized and smooth and soft. I hope you guys enjoyed watching our journey testing out these hydration kits. I'll have a link to Guyleen's video in the description box of mine. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.